Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cheese ramyun. First, let's gather everything we need for this delicious meal. You'll want 1 packet of your favorite instant ramyun noodles, 1 slice of cheese, American or cheddar works perfectly, and approximately 2½ cups of water. For an extra touch, consider having an egg or some chopped green onions on hand. This simple combination creates a wonderfully satisfying dish. Now, let's get cooking. Pour about 2½ cups of water into a small pot and bring it to a vigorous boil over medium-high heat. Once the water is bubbling, carefully add your ramyun noodles. Let them cook for approximately 3 minutes or until they reach your desired tenderness. Remember to stir them gently a few times to ensure they don't stick together or to the bottom of the pot. Next, it's time to infuse that amazing flavor and creamy texture. Turn off the heat and stir in the entire seasoning packet that came with your ramyun. Immediately place your cheese sliced directly on top of the hot noodles. Cover the pot with a lid for about 30 seconds. This allows the residual heat to perfectly melt the cheese. Then, gently mix the gooey, melted cheese throughout the noodles until it's well combined. Your delicious cheese ramyun is now ready. Carefully transfer the hot noodles and broth into your favorite serving bowl. If you're using them, sprinkle some fresh chopped green onions over the top for a burst of color and a hint of freshness. Serve your cheese ramyun immediately to enjoy it at its best, while the noodles are perfectly tender and the cheese is wonderfully creamy. Enjoy every comforting bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.